The Redmi Note 8 series is coming on August 29th in China, and by now you might already know its entire spec sheet. But what you might not know is that both the Redmi Note 8 and 8 Pro will feature the same Helio G90T processor. And I think this is the first time Redmi is doing this. Generally, the Pro version gets the better processor compared to the non-Pro counterpart, but this time around you will get to see the same processor in both the Redmi Note 8 and 8 Pro. MediaTek launched the Helio G90T chipset last month, and soon after the announcement, Xiaomi India announced that the company will launch a Helio G90T powered phone very soon. Ahead of the launch, a lot has been revealed about the Redmi Note 8 series, and if you want to know in detail about the G90T, then click on that I button and watch the whole video. So now let's take a quick look between the differences and the similarities of Redmi Note 8 and 8 Pro. The similarities are mostly in the internals, except for the 64 megapixel camera, which will be exclusive to the Pro version. And the same goes with the in-screen fingerprint scanner, which will be available only to Redmi Note 8 Pro. And when it comes to the similarities, the design will be similar, and the new addition to this Note series, the NFC support, which will be available to both the Redmi Note 8 and Note 8 Pro. And as I said earlier, the processor will be similar as well. The Xiaomi sub-brand showcased the Redmi Note 8 with a video of some rock band where the drummer says, "You can see more of the beautiful world with the 64 megapixel camera," expected to come in the Pro device, and this is where you get a glimpse of the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is the small video covering some of the latest leaks, and if you enjoyed the video then you know what to do. Subscribe, like, that's it. See you next time. Peace out.